It's mowing time. So this is our Homelite blower. It won't pump fuel. It won't start. So we'll see if I could fix this one. See if we could start this one. So I think there was a leakage on the carburetor. So it doesn't prime. It doesn't prime properly. No. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this one with a new carburetor. Don't have enough time to rebuild the carburetor, so I'm trying to catch up the sunlight. They're doing the mowing at the moment, so I'm going to change the carburetor. So I need to be quick. I need to remove this cover here for the air filter cover. Then we need to remove this screw. Okay, let's remove the throttle first. We're using number 8. Need to remove the bolt. This one screw here. Okay, I'm using a T20 Torx, so just need to undo this one. Then remove this, and then we have the carburetor. So I'm about to change the carburetor, but now when I remove the fuel cap cover and test the prime, it works. So it creates a vacuum on when the fuel cap cover it's fitted. So the fuel cap breather, it's pretty much blocked. So it creates a vacuum through the fuel cap. So we'll try it again. So there's a little bit of damage on the crack on the primer bulb. So maybe we could possibly just replace the primer bulb. So it's hard to prime when the fuel cap is fitted. So you can see the mist coming out from the primer bulb because it's broken. So I'm going to carefully clean this one and remove the primer bulb and replace with a new one. But also I'm going to possibly replace the fuel cap and with a new one because it's blocked. The vent here is blocked, so it creates a vacuum when you prime. So that's a problem, and that will save us on using a new carburetor. So we're going to clean the carburetor, so we just reuse this one. So I'm going to carefully remove the primer plate. Okay, so it creates a vacuum. Okay, we'll just clean this part here. Okay, so we carefully place this one back. Then with the new primer bulb, then the retaining plate. So I'd like to manually screw this one first before using the power tools. Oh, they're shouting the blower. They say the blower. They want the blower. Desperate. They're desperate, the blower. So I need to hurry up and get this one done. Okay, so we'll place this one back. So this one position here, the gasket, then this one. Okay, so place this one here like that. Then we have this one at the bottom. And where's our gasket? So the gasket, so the pulse hole must align this part here. Okay, so in, then the bottom part first. Then the upper part. Then the bottom part again. Then the throttle lever. Okay. Oh, they're asking for the blower. Okay. Then we need to tighten the cover or the choke. Not too much because it can't rotate. Okay, all good. So we need to replace that fuel cap. Okay, here we have a replacement new fuel cap. They're asking me to get this one done because they're doing the mowing. So we have a new fuel cap. It's brand new. This is the genuine one. Okay. And we'll see if we could prime this one. Yeah. Very good, it's working. We'll see if we could start it. Put in the choke. All good. Thanks for watching. And we fix it without replacing the carburetor. We just replaced the fuel cap and replaced the primer bulb. Thanks for watching. And see you next time on my next video.